It's Diamond Monet. Welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you're here. Today, as I told you guys in my last video, we have so much more fun fall things that we're going to do this season. But some of you guys were asking about food reviews, and one of my favorite things to get during the fall season is Starbucks pumpkin scone. So today we're going to get a pumpkin scone. I'm going to film a book haul for you guys. And possibly some other stuff. But before this video gets started, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to join the family, and make sure you share this video with your friends and family members so that they can join the family and we can just all enjoy this fall season and winter seasons and all the seasons to come together. Yeah, I'm super excited. And also make sure you turn on the bell for post notifications because that's super important. I tried to add some super you know what? I tried to add some super snazzy music to this vlog to just really give it that fall aesthetic. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also put more fun videos that you want to see, adventures that you want to go on, things that you want me to try to just celebrate the fall season. But yeah, let's go get the pumpkin scone. Oh. This is so exciting. This is the first pumpkin scone of the season. Okay, you can't see that because there. But so my mom got a pumpkin cold brew with extra cream, and we're gonna try it. I normally don't drink coffee, but I can have like little sips in moderation and not get tired. But anyway, I can have a little bit of coffee at a time. Oh, that's different. Like, I like the foam. Not bad. Give it an 8 out of 10. Yeah. Okay, I need to stop. It's good. Alright, this is the beautiful pumpkin scone. And all of its icing beauty. Okay, let's try this, y'all. It really doesn't get any better. Fall season and winter season always have the best treats, best sweets, best drinks. Oh, that's a good idea. I'm always saying we should go on adventures looking for small good holiday drinks and treats and all that stuff. Put in the comments what you guys think, although I think I'm going to do that anyway because that sounds really fun. Alrighty friends, so right now we are going to get a pumpkin frappuccino from Coffee. See that? Awesome, thank you. You too. So, let's go like over here for a second. Call this a theory, but I personally think that coffee beans pumpkin frappuccinos are better than Starbucks. Don't come for me in the comments. Just go out and try it, and then put your response at the bottom. I'm just telling you, coffee bean. The pumpkin fraps are normally really good. We'll see how this year's goes. This is the first pumpkin frap from Coffee Bean that I had this year. But like, let's just see. Alright. There it is. Thank you. You too. But look at this. It's more orange than the other one was. The cinnamon is good. Here it is. Oh, first one, some coffee bean. Oh yeah, automatically better. I don't care who comes to me in these comments. It's automatically better than the Starbucks one. Every year it's better than the Starbucks one. Like, look at how orange it is. It's just, yeah, it's just giving everything it needs to give. It gave. So, yeah.
Coffee bean wins.
Coffee bean wins. The war between Starbucks and coffee bean definitely goes to coffee bean, 100%. Alrighty, y'all, so that is the end of another vlog. As you can tell, I switched my glasses because I just filmed another video for you guys that will be up on my socials at Hey It's Diamond Monet, and I'll also probably post it here on YouTube as well. But yeah, I love you guys. Thanks for joining with me. God is good, and every day is a day to rejoice and be glad. I'm super excited for the new family members that come, the family that we have, and I'm just really excited to see what God is going to do in our community here on YouTube. But thank you for being along the journey and for supporting me. It means so much to me, you guys don't even know. But yeah, before this video ends, make sure you give it a big thumbs up so I know that you like the content. Subscribe to join the family. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Yeah. I'm so happy that you're here. I hope that we can continue to enjoy this fall season and winter season and all the seasons to come together. But yeah, I love you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, friends!